Have you ever said a sentence in English and the other person looked confused or even smiled awkwardly? Don't worry, it's not your fault. You're probably using sentences that English learners hear a lot, but native speakers never say. Today, I will show you the English sentences you must stop saying, and teach you the natural versions that native speakers actually use. Let's fix your English in just a few minutes. Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Master English. Today's lesson is extremely important because most learners don't even know they're making these mistakes. These sentences are not wrong, but they sound unnatural, robotic, or translated. Together, we will replace them with natural, modern, fluent English. Let's begin. Number 1. Stop saying, I am agree. This is one of the most common mistakes. Don't say, I am agree. Say instead, I agree. That's it. Simple, natural, correct. Native speakers never say, I am agree. Number 2. Stop saying, I have a doubt. In some countries, this is normal. In English, it sounds strange. Don't say, I have a doubt. Say instead, I have a question. Or, I'm not sure about something. Use question, not doubt. Number 3. Stop saying, open the light. This one is easy. Don't say, open the light. Say instead, turn on the light. Open is for doors and windows. Turn on is for lights and switches. Number 4. Stop saying, I didn't knew. Many learners mix past forms together. Don't say, I didn't knew. Say instead, I didn't know, because did already makes it past tense. Number 5. Stop saying, I am boring. If you say, I am boring, you're saying you make people bored. Not a good idea. Don't say, I am boring. Say instead, I am bored. Boring describes a thing. Bored describes you. Number 6. Stop saying, he don't. A classic mistake. Don't say, he don't. Say instead, he doesn't. He, she, it doesn't. Number 7. Stop saying, I want to go bathroom. Don't say, I want to go bathroom. Say instead, I want to go to the bathroom. Or, where is the bathroom? Always add to the. Number 8. Stop saying, today morning. English doesn't use this phrase. Don't say, today morning. Say instead, this morning. Simple and natural. Number 9. Stop saying, I am studying since 2 years. This is a very common grammar mistake. Don't say, I am studying since 2 years. Say instead, I have been studying for 2 years. Use present perfect continuous for time. Number 10. Stop saying, I will tell to you. Don't say, I will tell to you. Say instead, I will tell you. There is no to after tell. Shadowing practice. Repeat after me. Speak with me slowly. Repeat. I agree. Repeat. I have a question. Repeat. Turn on the light. Repeat. I didn't know. Repeat. I am bored. Repeat. He doesn't like it. Repeat. I want to go to the bathroom. Repeat. This morning. Repeat. I have been studying for 2 years. Repeat. I will tell you. Good. Your English is getting cleaner, clearer, and more natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, do one thing. Drop a comment. Which sentence surprised you the most? And of course, like the video, subscribe, and watch our other shadowing lessons. You are improving every single day. See you tomorrow, my friend.